How to turn off hype comments on Instagram. First is to launch the Instagram application. Open your profile by tapping on the profile icon, which you can find on the lower right corner. Then tap the plus icon, which is found beside the three horizontal lines located on the upper right corner. Then select Story, and then tap the gear icon, which is located on the upper right corner. Now select the story settings, and then in here, you will find this section Replying. Under Replying, you will see this text Allow Message Replies. So in here, you are provided with three options, which are Everyone, People you follow, and Off. So instead of selecting Everyone, you can either choose People you follow or Off. So for this, I will be selecting the Off option. And then once you're done, tap Done, which is found on the upper right corner. Now create a new story to verify that the hype comments are now disabled. And so that is how you turn off hype comments on Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.